Hi guys, Crystal from ChristaCoDesign. I am here to show you how to increase on your sleeves for the sunset sweater. We are using the Trinity stitch, and here we have some front post, back post ribbing. And I can link up videos for both of those if this is all brand new stuff for you, and also the free pattern for the sweater. So we are on the sleeves for row 5, where we begin the increases, and your increase row or your size, your stitch count may be different if you're doing a different size. I am using a small swatch right now. So I have started with 25, and I've done 3 rows of front post, back post ribbing and 1 row of regular Trinity stitch. Now I'm turning, and on row 5 I'm going to increase, and it's really simple, but I wanted to show you. And so we will start normally with our chain 1 that does not count, our single crochet, our first stitch of the row, and then I'm going to do my increase. I'm going to chain 1 here, and I'm just going to mark it to remind myself that that's my increase and that's what I've done. Then I am going to start like normal with my Trinity stitches, starting in the same stitch and picking up across until I have 4, roll over and chain 1. And I work normal Trinity stitches across the row. Okay, we've made it to our last 2 stitches, which means we're going to make our final Trinity stitch. And normally we would stop and put a single crochet here, but since we are trying to increase the sleeve, we are going to go ahead and chain 1 and place the single crochet at the end there. And then I'm just going to mark that again so I know that I did my increase. And then I will turn, and I'll just work normal Trinity stitch row for row 6 or the next row. So you'll single crochet, and then you'll start in that same stitch, and you'll pick up your loop, and you'll go into that extra chain you made, pick up a loop, and obviously you can take your marker out. And I'm just going to try to work around it there for a minute. And then you just keep working across your row, and now you will have increased by 2 stitches for that row. And so for your sleeve, you will continue to follow a pattern of increases like so, which is really simple. So I'm going to do my regular chain 1, pick up in here, so out chain, and then that single crochet, and we're just going to do our single crochet here, not a chain 1. And then we're going to do more Trinity stitch rows, and you'll follow the pattern for how many to do and when to do the increases until you have reached the width you need for the upper arm where it connects to the body. And I'll link up the tutorials for the other stitches and the pattern in case this is the first you've heard of this stitch or this sweater. You can get all the info. This is just a quick video showing the increase points for the sleeves. Thanks again.